That's the best headline I've heard all day. I swear. Do I need this even? Can I just... Oh, I see. I think this can come out. But what are these? They look like they go there. Okay, that's what I'll do. You go here, you go here. All right. Turn you off and then flush you. Good. Now, this is the wrong spot. Tighten you back up. I can just unscrew it. Ah. Stop. I need some towels. This is empty, mostly. Not empty anymore. No. Just gonna turn and then seat it in there. All right. You go in here. And now this goes in here. Is that the right way? Turn. Okay. Well, it feels pretty good. What is this? Why do I have this? Swimmy goes in here. Okay. Okay. All right. We can tighten the. My wrench is too small. Haha, look at that. Oh yeah, nice and tight. We got the T-adapter, going to the flexible hose, going to the main body of the bidet. Stool goes in there. All right, well let's try it. First of all, any leaks here? Do I just? Oh, jeez. Oh, man. All right. I think it works. What does this do? Oh. That makes it... Okay. So when it's here, that makes it go down to clean it. And that makes it shoot up. Oh, I had this tape. This is what this is. This is tape. Yep. This is tape. Didn't use it. Put this right in here in case it leaks. And also this. Cool, done. Keep this in here.